Uh, so I'm gonna go over today's trade. I haven't traded in like two weeks. Looking at the charts at all for 2 weeks. Came into the day mainly with a volume profile in mind. So we have this area which is not balanced, and on. See if we get stopped out. No, probably not. We have this area which was not balanced, and on ES as well. Volume profile low volume node, if you can call it that, with high with the shelves and whatever you call it, edges. So we got stopped out. Could probably go higher, not based on any levels though. I'm just gonna do something like that. Last trade. Okay, so basically we had this unfilled before market open. We were somewhere around here. Okay, whatever. Let's see. We were somewhere around here, and I was looking for low prices to come fill this low volume node and this area. I think we'll probably dump a bit lower now after this, but we'll see. This level is important. But I was looking at this point of time. I was looking at shorts pre-market. What I was basing that on was the structure and the draw that we wanted to have. So I just had to have a point of interest. So I entered short on this line, which is the 1 hourly open candle, a bullish open candle in the premium of the range. I'm just going to show the executions. As you can see here, entered at 424.50. Blue line is actually wrong. It should be 2 ticks above. And that's the 1 hour hourly candle open. So we are pushing higher now. I was looking for low prices. We did get low prices. Market open showed volatility upwards, so I got stopped out. But I did also get filled on my 624.75 level, which I had on the NQ. And so that level is based on the, let's here, low volume node here, as you can see. So from I think it was, yeah, from 379 and on and downwards, I was looking for a possible entry. And what we have below this 379 is this liquidity I wanted to get taken out, and below the 50% of this move on the liquidity, I was looking for a point of interest. I was looking at the 1 minute. This is kind of Excel steps, I would say. I was looking at 1 minute, a bit of a shot, but I did like this inverse 1 minute fair value gap. So you can see the level is on the beginning of the fair value gap, and we actually tapped the midpoint. I would say the midpoint is 362.5, and if we would have entered there, it would be 0 ticks in drawdown. But I don't want to take the chance on the midpoint. So it was a good entry. We did rally about 30 points from that level. Yeah, as you can see, we got stopped out on that move just recently with a bit of shop, and then I tried again and got stopped out, and then the raid, and now we're probably seeking for higher prices. So the first level I want to see is the 1 hour. 1 hour. I'm actually gonna take a. No, I'm not. My level is reached. I'm looking for higher prices. But that's the idea. So I was looking for this liquidity to get taken out. Very nice, very clear. And then for a point of interest below that liquidity, the limit order on 364.75. And on ES, I was looking for this white line, which is the previous week, or let's hear, yeah, not previous week. Sorry, it actually is the previous week. Yeah, the previous week's high. Is that right? No, it was last week's Tuesday high. A significant high for me as well. That's well, yeah. That's why I had that level. Didn't get tapped. Edged it by, yeah, not a lot. So ideally, we would like to come down and seek that before seeking high prices, but it's totally fine if we just seek high prices now, to be honest. But we still leave this. This is just still a point of interest, which we want to seek further down the line, I would say. But until then, looking at whoop, these highs, pre-market highs, or at least my 425 level. Let's see how we react from there. Textbook entry, we could take that now. Continuation. Stop below here. My candle, stop below here. Yeah. 68.5. Nice entry I got. But that's just the. Let's see here. That's just like how I was thinking about these two trades. This trade, pre-market, looking for lower prices as we're in this structure, and we have this area that we want to fill. And unfortunately, before market open or at market open, I got stopped out, and then we seek my take profit at 365. I think it was a tick above my limit buy. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. I should know that market open is delivering volatility. And so yeah, that was the narrative behind the first trade. And the second trade, as I went over before, this was my target. When we reach this area, we can now seek higher prices. The only thing I'm worried about is ES not doing anything. Didn't take any level, any significant thing, just edge this low. So that's the thing I'm worried about, that this could be a fake up before seeking these lows again. But we'll just have to wait and see. My level got tagged and got a nice reaction, and my level here got tagged and got a nice reaction.